So here is Clapper app. Let's explore how to create an account. So you just open it up and then you go to profile in bottom right, tap sign up. And then here is your number, Facebook, Google, or Apple. So I can just continue with Apple. And then yeah, you can just proceed with the screen. And there you have it. So because I already had my account created before, so I just signed in, but it's as easy as it is. Then you can just share your profile to other people. Then there is some kind of invite code. I don't know whether you get in some perks for inviting people, but that's what it is. Then you can get also Clapper coins for monetization, and that's just what it is. That's how you create an account. And then also you can explore privacy and safety here. I don't know if you can enable 2FA or some kind of security, additional security. So then you can just delete your account and some other settings. So that's what it is.